Hello guys, this is Binsoy from Tambay Academy, and in this video, I will show you how to set up your SWA Ultimate marketing website by using the Tambay Academy marketing system. Okay, now before we move on, I just would like you to understand na dito sa Tambay Academy, we understand the fact na if you're new in internet marketing and in this online marketing thing, yung mga websites, kung paano gawin, guys, we understand. Okay? Hindi siya ganun kadaling matutunan. Kaya we made this websites, or we made this marketing system available for beginners, just like most of you guys. Okay? So right now, you don't have to worry about creating your own website, buying your own domain, yung mga hosting, because you actually don't need all of these for you to earn money right away. Okay? So this is one of the bonuses that we have for Tambay Academy members na magkaroon ng sariling marketing website just like we do. Okay? Now, here's the thing. Paano ba magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng website? Okay, first you need to be a member of the Tambay Academy online community. Paano ba maging member? Okay, to become a member, you need to promote any of our programs inside. So let's say member na kayo ng SWA Ultimate. What you need to do is promote the other programs that we have inside at bibigyan namin kayo ng sarili nyong website na tulad ng website na to. Okay? Now, this is a highly customizable website, guys. Make no mistake. Okay? So, kahit iba yung sponsors ninyo sa SWA, you can still use this system kasi yung links nyo naman yung gagamitin nyo dito. So, this is one example of your own marketing website. So, kung nakikita mo, yan, meron siyang video presentation, naka-setup na lahat. Okay, so if you check on this sign up now, nakita nyo yung link nyo yung nakalagay. Okay, if you check on the bottom left hand corner of the screen, okay, so that's rold.swaultimate.com/pay option. Alright, so andyan din nakita din yung mga info ninyo. So yan, pwede nyo itong ma-customize actually. Alright, so paano ba ito gawin? Okay, first, after you become a member, okay, we will provide you with your link, just like yung nakita nyo dito sa taas. Okay, so in this case, this is for Jingjing Franco. Okay, yan yung username niya sa SWA, so that's jingjingfranco.tambayacademy.com. So first thing that you need to do once you have this website, I will be providing you this website at saka yung username and password niyo. Okay, first thing that you need to do is go to jingjingfranco.tambayacademy.com/wp-admin. Okay, so just input your username and your password. Then click on login. Alright, this will bring you to your dashboard. Okay, ito yung dashboard natin. Okay, so first thing you need to do is go to plugins. Saka click niyo yung add new. Okay, now next thing that you need to do is to type in WP clone. Okay, click niyo yung search plugins. Alright, so click niyo yung install now. Dapat nakita niyo yung WP clone by WP Academy. Okay, click on install now. Then click on activate plugin. Okay, so the plugin's already activated. Now next thing that you need to do is go to WP clone. Tapos may ilalagay kayong URL dito. Okay? So, ibigay ko yung link at the bottom of this page. Now, ito lang. Okay? Then, paste nyo dito. And click on I agree. Then, click on restore from URL. Then click OK and proceed to restore now. Alright, this will be activated soon. So it's still loading up. Okay, medyo mabagal siya ng konti. It depends on the connection din. It's taking quite some time. I'll probably cut this video from this point. So shortcut ko na siya. Okay, so it shows here that the restore was successful. So next thing you need to do is go to Pages. Okay, just click on Pages. It's most probably gonna ask you to sign in again kasi nag-restore ka. Okay, so let's go back. Admin, saka yung password ulit. Okay, log in ulit. Okay, we're back to the dashboard. So ito na yung laman ng Pages. Okay, so next thing that you need to do is highlight this one, Launch 5, SWA Ultimate, then click on Edit. Okay, pwede nating open link on new tab. Okay, ito yung mga pwede nating palitan. Okay, or pwede mong tanggalin. You can remove these actually, pero you can do that later on. Explore lang muna. Pero what's important is have this SWA Ultimate website edited. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan edit, tsaka ito. Okay, click on edit. So, yung squeeze page, ito yung squeeze page natin. Okay? So, this is an example of your landing page. So, dito mo papupuntahin yung mga prospects mo. Okay? So, by the time they input their name, your email address, and your phone number, they become your leads, your prospects. Okay, so you can market to them anytime you want. You can contact them anytime you want. Okay, now this is going to be your sample SWA Ultimate website. Okay, so ito yung i-edit natin, yung mga values ng mga buttons dito. So we will have to make sure na yung mga buttons will lead to your SWA referral link. Okay? Alright. So ito yung sa SWA Ultimate, what you need to do is to change the link here to your referral link. So in this case, link ni Jingjing Franco. Okay, so copy mo lang to. Then make sure you click on this link right here. Yan, just to make sure na palitan mo siya. Update. Then copy mo ulit. Control C. Then ito naman, highlight mo lahat. Then Control V. Okay. And then change mo rin to Jingjing Franco. And check mo yung link mo sa loob. Okay. Alright. Okay, and then go to this link right here. Muna lang. And this one. Okay. Tapos, you have to go down to ito, launch page and sales letter options. Click mo yung plus sign next to call to action /delayed button. Okay, highlight mo lahat, then Control V for paste. Okay, so bago mo siya i-update, change mo rin yung email address to your email address. Alright, nakaset up na lahat dito. Okay ko na lang. And your phone number. Okay. Alright, so after making sure na na-change mo na lahat, just click on update right here. Alright, so it's taking its time. Then while we're waiting, okay na pala. So this is the next page na kailangan nating i-edit. Okay, ito naman yung landing page. Ang i-edit natin dito is yung ito, opt-in squeeze form options. Okay. So I think it's okay na. So check natin. Alright, looks like it's good. So let's just scroll down. Jingjing Franco. Okay, the link looks good. Link looks good. Email, phone number. Okay, sakto yung mga links. Okay, you have to make sure guys na yung mga links na yun points out to your referral link. Okay, so let's double check. Click natin tong sign up now. Okay, saan ba siya mapupunta? Okay, it goes to Jingjing Franco's referral link. Okay, check natin. Activation code. So, make sure lalabas yung pangalan nyo dyan. Okay, so this one looks good. Okay, next thing is yung autoresponder code. Kailangan natin i-change. Okay, if you don't know, if you're new to this autoresponder code thing, hayaan nyo na. Okay, I'll provide you with your autoresponder code, so I'll take care of this one. But if you have your own autoresponder, you can go to this tab right here, autoresponder code, and copy paste mo na lang. Okay, so since I've already made an autoresponder code for Jingjing Franco, so copy paste ko na lang siya. Okay. Yan. So, if you don't have an autoresponder, you can ask the code from me. Okay? So, after that, click natin yung update. Okay. Looks like it's done. So, check natin. View page. Okay, so that's jingjingfranco.tambayacademy.com. Alright, now check natin. Okay, so let's say for example may prospect si Jingjing na pinapunta dito. So, let's try my name, Binsoy, email address. And you can actually leave the phone number field blank just for testing purposes. Show me the video. Okay, so once you sign in or you sign up, okay, it goes directly to Jingjing Franco's SWA Ultimate marketing website. Okay, so nakita nyo link ni Jingjing. Okay, so looks good. Ganun lang kabilis. Okay, it's very easy to set up your own SWA Ultimate marketing website using the Tambay Academy system. Alright, so once again guys, if you're new to this thing and you want to have an instant website that you can promote, you can join us inside the Tambay Academy marketing system. Okay, so if you're already a member of SWA Ultimate, that's fine. Just promote any of the programs like Infinity Downline. Okay, you can promote that as well. And then we will provide you with your highly customizable marketing website. Okay, so pwede nyo yung ma-edit. We are using OptimizePress. So if you're not familiar with it, you can explore, you can go to YouTube. Ang daming mga tutorials regarding OptimizePress. Okay? So, ganun lang kabilis guys. You don't need to know all the technicalities of how to create the websites for now. kasi we will provide you with everything. We will do the selling, we will do the explaining for you. So all you need to do is get people to watch the videos on your marketing website. Okay? Ang sa inyo na lang is how to close. Okay? Ang daming trainings natin if you're part of Team Unstoppable. Ang daming trainings regarding closing. If you're part of some other teams, I'm sure meron din kayong mga trainings regarding closing. So, but with regards to creating your own website, eto na. Okay, we will provide everything for you. Okay? So, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you on the next videos, guys. Thank you very much for watching.